So if you have to put all your experience from May, June, July, August, 4 months to get this job, what are the top three things that you recommend for folks on this call to be the next person to get a job?
First thing is be thorough with all the subject modules. Keep on revising. First, be thorough with that, and then keep on applying. There is no limit. There is no limit for applying. Keep on applying and never give up. And get help from Abhishek for the interviews. Like schedule a call, and then he will also help us.
Awesome, guys. You heard it all. I'll just marinate. I'll just let it marinate in your thought process. Please, thank you, Meher, for attending and giving your time, and thank you for coming on the call. Next week we'll have more questions for you then with Padmaja and Smita and Ifi who got the job. So it was too late to call them, but they'll be there on the call next week, I'm sure. So thank you for being here. But guys, you heard it all. Keep applying, and if there's anything that I could do, just email me and I'll be glad to assist you from there. But most important of everything, I want to see that people are consistently attending this call. You guys make this call happen, and from this call is where we are getting job placements. So please do attend the call. I'm going to log off right now, and we'll see you guys 8 o'clock next week. Thanks. Bye.
Dr. Abhishek.
Dr.
Hello.
Sheikh.